Before I take a nap, before I go to sleep, count 100 racks while I'm praying on my knees. Chop up with the 50 wicker, make the bitch breathe. Never snitching, never switching, nigga, please. Never throwing up the G's, throwing up a couple P's. Ain't going outside, nigga, you don't read. Everybody having paper, ain't nobody greedy. Thotties in the room, I denying they cannot eat. I keep talking about it cause I'm missing pistol P's. Need you on my shoulder, you an angel, watch the demons. Oh, I'm in
Yo, what up, Mr. Grimm?
Should've thought about it, watch your mouth when you see me. We don't talk, send them shooters out. Beam 'em. We ain't tucking chain, we got too much aquafina. Can't come up in my trap, at the door you get a screen. When the money involved, it's
I ain't gonna lie, boys. Your boy's fucking tired. But we pushed through. Let's see. I don't know why it always puts that on my chart. So I ain't gonna lie. GJ is in a very choppy spot, bro. Like, I would say. So I seen this move coming last night. I didn't think we were gonna get it, honestly. I thought that this 30-minute was gonna close below. I had my zone like this. I thought this one was gonna come and back and close below and fake out to the upside, but I was wrong. We were very bullish. I will say we did just drive down and like collect a lot of orders. This 4 hour does not have a lot, too much, but doesn't really have a top wick. So there's a chance that this might have been the pullback for the New York session to continue driving up. So we'll have to wait and see. But I'm starting to think that that's what's going on for GJ today. Yo, what up, Henry? What it is does do. Let me fucking get my hat on, bro. I feel like a goddamn goat. So for gold, I ain't gonna lie. So it's getting a little ugly. I was anticipating us to. Let's see. After I saw this candle, I was like, all right, there's a good chance that we may reject, and then this would be the 4 hour flip, because that's what makes sense. But we kind of just drove up. We kept moving up. So there's also still a chance that, I mean, we still have some bearish market structure here. Too bad, bitch, doing 69, calling shotty. But I think that it's starting to break up out of it. So we'll have to see. We also have broken previous 4 hour highs. But I'm still willing to take the sells if we can come and close back below here on 1858. Right. This 1 hour candle never made a bottom wick. So I mean we'll have to see. And I mean we're heavily bearish. Right. Our daily target was 1850. Boom. We did smash that already. I got these sells from the London session. From here. Or this is where I got them from here. But we'll have to see. We'll have to see. We'll have to see. We'll have to see. And for NASDAQ, I want to see how this 1 hour closes, right? So for NASDAQ and for US 30, honestly, really ugly. It's so ugly. But the higher time frame still looks bearish. But in my opinion, this was a rejection wick yesterday because of how this 4-hour closed, right? So there's a good chance that maybe we're pulling back now to keep moving bullish and get like a deeper pullback. But dude, this is straight manipulation in my eyes, bro. Right at 4 p.m. Or no, this would have been 3. Closer below, moving nice and down, nice and good, and then it fucking just flies up. We'll see how these 30 minutes close. How long do you look at the charts? So, I really only sit in front of the charts during New York session. But I will say, like, it depends, like, how good the day is, like, the setup. So, like, if I'm feeling like if the setup off of the daily is looking super good, like if I'm anticipating like a really nice daily candle, then I'll probably hop on. I'll pop on every I don't know. I usually just like wait for the candles to close, like, and even sometimes when they do print, I'll just let the moves play out, right? Because I do those daily breakdowns, so I like to see what like the end result of everything is, and then look to see where I might have been wrong and where I could have went better. Um, but I mean, yeah, I would say like I don't know. It really depends. Like some nights, some days I'm just like not even really feeling like looking at the charts. Like today, I mean, we had that nice London session. After seeing like what it's doing right now, I ain't gonna lie. Like I didn't even want to come to the New York session because the London session made a beautiful move for everything. Usually when there's a beautiful move in the London session, and the New York session is shit. But I don't know. I'm not expecting nothing too crazy on gold today. Especially because tomorrow we have big news, right? So let's look at the news. So if we go, so today we don't have anything really. Jolt's job openings, it's a red folder, doesn't mean shit. It's not gonna do much. ADP NFP, yeah, you're gonna see a lot of liquidity. You're gonna see a nice big move happen when this happens, but it's not gonna change market sentiment. Now, when you see news like this, FOMC statement, federal funds rate, right? This is market trend changing news, like this kind of stuff. Like this is the big news that, like, you want to pay attention to, right? And so we've already talked about this. We've already discussed this like every day for the last like 2 weeks. But you know, they're about to do another rate hike. They're about to do another 1% increase. They did a 0.5% hike. They're about to hike it a whole percentage point, right? So if you look at this chart, you can see that ever since the beginning of 2020, they cut rates. So there's been very little to no interest rates. But now we're about to get hiked up a whole nother half of a point. And that's a very bearish factor for equities like US 30, gold, and it's very good for the US dollars. That's why the US dollar's been going crazy ever since they announced those rate hikes, which was down in here. Almost a year ago, they announced they were going to look at start hiking the rates. Boom. US dollar strength. At the same time that we were at a support too, right? Isn't it crazy how the fundamentals always line up with the technicals? Thought you looked at them like 10 hours straight? Fuck no. I lose my mind. Hell no. No, I just like to look at all the sessions because I don't know what everyone trades, and so and I mean, some of the better moves happen in other sessions, so I'll watch them. And sometimes, like, if I see setups that I like, then I'll just like call them out. Ain't gonna lie, I wanted to adjust this zone. Let's see how this looks. Mm. I mean, kinda. See, what I wanted to see what this was here. We did get that 1850 tap, but I wanted to see price come down towards this area. And even further, I think it was like 1847. Like, I still think we have a little bit of room to move down today. She pulling up, she sucking on it, she got sticky. Alright, let's see what gold looking like, bruh. So it looks like we are going to get a real nice strong close here on this 1 hour candle. I'm not looking for any buys. I'm playing the trend. If we melt, we melt. And then we could look. But if he wants to do this goofy shit, then I'm just going to get away from the charts. You know what I mean? You waiting for some rejection from 1870 then sells? Yeah, let's see if that happens. I ain't gonna lie. I'd want to see us reject here. Because, like, this is the 4 hour resistance area. So, like, if we could reject and create a resistance around here, then there's a good chance that price could move down from this area, right? Like, I still think we can move down. This is a gross pullback. This candle has no bottom wick. We'll have to see. Yeah, same plan. We tapped in the 1850 area. Strong daily support. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So we'll have to see. So I'm saying, like, this was the move that I wanted earlier. Like, and that's why I always say, like, sometimes people come to me and they're like, damn, bro, like, you could be catching all these pips, and it's like, you, not on the stream, but it's like, bro, I don't know what you want me to do. I can't control how to fucking candle sprint. I try to, like, do what I can, so, like, you could eat in the other sessions, too, you know what I mean? Like, but, you know, I'm only one person, too, at the end of the day. But it's like, you know, the setups happen when they happen. You know, in my opinion, the New York session's the best. So I feel like US 30 still wants to move up. Based on how this 1 hour is looking. We got like 1 minute left. Excuse me. We'll have to see. So far, gold, there's no resistance. There's nothing saying sells yet. I'm just gonna do some more waiting here today, right? The only way I would like to look to counter trend gold is like closes above this area here. It's the only way I'll do it. But even then, like, I'd probably just rather miss the move. Alright, boom. So let's look. Gold closing extremely bullish. Barely any top wick. No resistance. Nothing created yet. We'll see what happens here, boys. GJ. So I ain't gonna lie. I think GJ does want to move up. Just based off of how this 1 hour closed. Right, we are in a little bit of a range here to start the week. The 4 hour is currently bearish, I will say. But it still looks good to move up, right? Especially like how at this 15 close. Like I think GJ should keep moving up. US 30 made a nice support. Gold. US 30 nice. Like, I think the buys are starting to look decent for some of these as well, right? I don't trade the trend lines, you already know, but look at this bearish market structure. We're about to boom out of it. Gold, same thing. Gold, it already kind of looks like we just did. We had some nice bearish market structure here. Right, that's the only reason I'm drawing this trend line, so to indicate you we were in a nice downtrend here. We broke out of it. We just broke back up out of it. So we'll have to see what happens here for now on. Someone says, what up, Tinoa? Gold wants people to take buys, then fake out, then back to sells. We'll see. We'll see. Damn, I told everyone today it was a shit trading day, and everyone dipped. Unless we create a resistance here to move back down. I don't know. There's nothing for me on gold. Yo, what up, you Rosh? I'm gonna have to stay away from the buys, right? I'm gonna have to stay away from the buys. We'll just wait for the sells for gold, right? Nas moving up. I think this 4 hour wants to flip and give us a nice resist or support. Let's take one last look. Alright, so GJ as well, also looking like it's starting to move up. Some news after 2 hours? Yeah, we already went over it. It's all low impact. The only news that matters this week is tomorrow. It's only tomorrow. Dude, listen to this shit. I'm fucking pissed, bro. The gym I go to, they decided to close for a goddamn week because they wanted to put more cardio equipment in. How about all these fat fucks that go there for cardio? Take your ass outside and go for a fucking walk or something, you fat fuck. Or go for a fucking run. Because now I can't even go in and lift nothing. Fucking pitiful, dog. Oh, we're gonna add more cardio equipment. There's already fucking 30 treadmills in the back. That ain't enough? What do they need? Fucking. So what am I supposed to do for a week now, bro? Fuck me, right? You can't even fuck with us, huh? Sorry, my little rant. Listen, at least I'm bitching about the gym. There'll be people in here, not in here, but there'll be people bitching about McDonald's being closed, bro. The ice cream machine not working. Fuck the ice cream machine. Take your ass to fucking somewhere else and get ice cream, dog. At least I'm bitching about the gym. Them shits look fucking ugly. Total, what's up? I want to buy a new turban. Nice. Let's see. Play some songs, bro. You don't hear the music? I want to buy a new turban. I want to buy a new shank. I want to buy a new turban. I got a Richard Millie. I'll keep it bumping if you want. If you like this, tell me what you like, bro. Tell me what songs you like. I like this song. It has the bells in it. Give us a resistance here, bro. Give us a resistance here, Gold. I add a bell to the beat cause I turn shit up. Yeah, no, it's my thing. I'd boat up. I'd have boat up. I hope you're happy. Play Work by Rihanna? I'm gonna get copyrighted. Let's do it. You like that song? Dude, that shit's fucking old. Hold on, I gotta find it. Play Work by Rihanna, bro. He said, work. Alright, perfect. Give us a resistance here, Gold. Give us a resistance. This is only a 15-minute one, though, so I will say low confluence. You got me playing fucking slow motion. The only person I want to hear on this song, Drake.
Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas tryna end me. Oh, yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight. I'm sorry. Rolling. How many more shots?
Beautiful.
We just need a face to face. You can pick the time and the place. You'll spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all the work. It's me up there, work. You see me do my da. So me better work. When you walk out, la. When the cat from my dirt.
Dude, what the fuck? Why is this not working, bro? All I want to see is the songs I listen to. Alright, back to what I want to listen to. Yo, so listen to this song. Get you on, live on the ground. Alright, look at this. This might flip, bro. Oh, no, it ain't. It's not gonna flip. Never mind. But, yo, do we have anyone... Do we have any of my Muslim brothers in here? I have a question. I have a question, bro. Also, happy Eid Mubarak. Hopefully, y'all have a good day today. Maybe this will flip. Let's look. No. Alright, but listen, hold on. Listen to this song. Someone told me that this is a very, like, there would be no chance that I would ever be able to play this around someone who's Muslim because it says this. You hear what he says? He says, "Get high as Allah." And now they say it's bad because it's saying like, oh, you can't ever say like you are at the level of Allah. But he's just saying, bro, like, he's going up. Like, he's getting so high. I don't know, dude. Or do y'all think this is fire?
they probation, I don't got no patience. Fucking this bitch like they hold my patience. I be the doctor, no, I'm not a nurse. I put that bitch and I brought her a purse. Yeah, get high as I like. I find out these bitch, the kind I like. Yeah.
Play with her pussy. Lean look black, mixing the walk with the rig. Ooh. You also don't get the logic, so you would not be offended if I bump this. No, because you're not Muslim. Fuck. Well, then someone who is answer. I know that they're in. We got them in a chat, bro. Get y'all live on the ground. You a pussy boy, go get your bands up. I don't want to sign for a lot. I ain't selling my money to dancers. You want to hear some Indian music? Oh, yes, fucking I do, bro. Tell me some fire. I would be going crazy to some Indian music, bro. I'll tell me why. I ain't gonna lie. This is not racially motivated. I feel like a lot of fucking white people are boring as fuck, dude. They don't like nothing but fucking the most stupidest ass shit. Dude, but like, you put on some fire ass Indian tunes, I'd be going crazy to that shit. Wait just 1 minute. All good, bro. Take your time. I want you to find me the best song. I want you to find me the best song. Won the lottery. So let's see. This first 15-minute candle is about to print bearish. I'm not gonna lie. I'm tempted to look for the sells on this next one. Like I think these sells could be beautiful, right? Because it's like we're gonna move back down into here. This 4-hour went up with no bottom wick. This 1 hour too. It's probably better to wait for the 30. But let's look at the 5-minute. The 5-minute even looks like it wants to melt. Like if we could go up. I think that this is gonna be a nice move down here. Let this thing make a nice, little decent top wick. Respect the wick of this 5-minute here too, and then come down, break these lows, and then just fucking melt back down towards 1858. Yer me. Look at GJ also moving beautifully. I mean, it's not really moving beautifully in my eyes because these don't even make any bottom wicks, so no entries, no possible. Let's see. I wish that, so like, I wish that this was the previous, what do you call it? Like, I wish that this was a 30-minute candle closer like this. This would be nice for sales. I do think that if this thing flips now and drives down, then this should be a good top wick to look for sells. It'd be like a 20 pip stop. Hold on a second. Trying to see something. Because I might take these sells, bro. I might put that sell stop in right here and see what happens. Like, I think if we're going to get a move today... Like, if this comes back down here... Hold on, let's look. But I need to see how this 5 minutes can close, right? But I think if we could drop back down and flip... Nah, I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, I think I am going to do that. I think I am going to take it. I'm going to risk it. We're going to risk it for the biscuit. I think this would be a good setup. It looks good. And then, like, we keep, like, so this is what happens here. One of two things. I think this 5 minutes is going to flip and give us a chance for this 15 to keep moving down. Alright, let's see. I didn't get in yet. We do have clean trap moving back down on all time frames. Alright, boom. Okay, I didn't get hit in yet. I'm watching. I'll just draw it up like perfect on this on the screen. But my entry's like right here. It'll be tough, cause okay, so but I think if this 5 minute closes bullish, want to see though. It's gonna close very weak. Oh no, it's gonna close bearish, so even better. All right, my sell stop just got activated, so boom, we're in this trade here. We just took it at this flip here of this 15. I really wish that what do you call it? But once we get to 10 pips, so we're almost there already, right? Once we hit right here at 10 pips, and I'm gonna go break even, right? All right, boom, perfect. So I'm gonna go break even at that point. It's like just less than 10 pips, all right. But anyways. And then let's see what happens. I'm going to also look to secure another 50% right here too. This thing just keeps driving down, bro. I feel like this is so delayed compared to my trader. Boom. So I secured 50%. Rest, break even. Or stops break even. And then my full target's down towards this area here, right? Boom, perfect, perfect. All right, so this is up about 20 pips. And I'm going to secure a little bit more, right? Actually, I'm just going to take the full thing. So, boom, perfect. Quick ass little 20 pip scalp, bro. Perfect. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. I'm in and out, in and out, in and out. Literally got in on this candle when it came down. Put us in the spread. This was a 2-minute trade. If it keeps moving, it keeps moving. But I think this 30 minutes is going to keep driving down. This 4 hours is going to keep driving down. I think this 1 hour as well is going to keep driving down. I closed everything just because it's a little bit ugly looking. But if y'all want to, if y'all are in this, beautiful, right? Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Simple. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Bro, who got that? Fucking goddamn bleeder no drawdown. 2-minute little trade, bro. Nice sells there, yes sir, yes sir. Simple, simple. This is a simple trade. This thing made a nice top wick on his 15. Came down, broke the little low that it made whenever we first opened up. And then I secured everything at like about 20 pips. You missed it, it's alright, it's alright. Beautiful. Perk got me in my mini. Cause of being talk. Lean talk. Let's see if we, excuse me, if this stops us out at break even or not. I mean, I'm out of this trade regardless, but I'm just gonna keep it up. Just because if anyone is in this that took this, it's still active. GJ, let's see what you're doing, baby. Oh, so we did. Oh, I missed this. Oh, that would have been beautiful. Did it do it off of the candle open? Oh, no, it didn't. It went up a little. It went up to here, then drove down, and now it's back at where it originally pushed up to when it opened up. So, now it looks beautiful, but let's see. I want to see if GJ can come and close back above this area, at least on that 4 hour, right? I think if we can, then it'll allow for a beautiful move. Or if this thing can just juice enough on this 1 hour candle to go up and end up breaking above here to make this 4 hour print bullish. Or where would it be? I believe it is. No, it's this candle, right? This is the candle this 4 hour candle open up on. This one right here. I tried to prick on my walk with this fizzle. Prick it here hard like a 808 sizzle. Alright, so let's see. This 15's gonna close. This 30's gonna close. Nice bearish closer on this 30-minute. I would anticipate gold to keep moving down after this kind of a candle closure. Pull up, I get high, I get go. But I want to see this just smash down through here, bro. I want to see this 4 hour flip. Or at least coming to close back below this area. Let's see, NAS still moving up. NAS still moving up. This 4 hours about to, ooh. I mean, I wouldn't say it's about to close bullish, but it could. US 30 looking the same. You going to get an FTMO tomorrow? Let's go. Alright, so if you're so in this trade, right? This candle open up with no top wick. This is up about 30 pips at this point, right? I'll look to secure some partials. Let's go. My full target would be like where I think this move would run to is down here. Because if you look at the daily, I mean, we did make a good move. Well, if you look at where all of the zones line up, the next one is down here, right? This is the range that we're about to be working with in this area, right? Looks like it might happen too. So like we did just drop down. We broke previous 1 hour lows as well. Good chance that this thing keeps melting. Good 40 pips up at this point though if you're in this. This 4 hour looking like she about to flip. But so like you could have anticipated this happening because like bro, these candles were moving up with no bottom wick. So and this is right before New York opens. So we already know, and I preach this every day on stream, bro. When the sessions open up, there's a good chance that prices where they want it to be to continue whatever they're looking to like whatever direction they're looking to push it. So whenever you see the London make the move down, and then around 5 a.m., 4 a.m., it starts to pull back, and then you see the continuation happen, it's no surprise. Like, it should not be any surprise at all. You know what I'm saying? With some toes, Balenci. Amazing plan, Sam. Just we talked earlier. Exactly, dog. Exactly. Wait for that rejection, that pullback. I didn't think we were gonna pull the whole ways back up to here, but yeah, just as we talked about though. I want to see this 5-minute close below here for this thing to keep bleeding, dog. You close full at 18 pips. It's okay. I close full at like 20, but I don't see an issue with that just because we base this trade off of the 15-minute, right? So like technically if this thing wanted to, this next 15 that we had here, the one that we entered on, could have like went down, made more of a bottom wick, then drove back up and then printed like this is what, just from experience, what I've seen happen. Like you'll have this first 15 drive down, and then like usually when this happens though, it's a weaker bearish 15-minute candle, and then the next one will drive down, make a little bit more of a bottom wick for the 30 that we would be trading on, and then let me just draw it, bro. So like we had a nice bullish candle like this print, right, on the 30 with like little to no top wick. Sometimes when you get these no top wick candles, like what'll happen is it'll end up making like a nice bottom wick and then come back up and close something like this. But then what this looks like on the lower time frame, like the 15 is, so like we have that initial nice bullish candle, right, with no top wick, and then the next 15-minute will give you something that looks like this with like a nice, I mean it's got like pretty big wicks on like both sides of the candle. And then the next one will initially spike down. Here, let me. The next one will initially spike down, create like a little bit more of a bottom wick, but then it'll ultimately drive up. Oh. it'll like by that one drive up and then end up closing bullish, right? They give you something that looks like this on the 15-minute, and then it looks like this on the 30, and then you can anticipate that next candle on the 30 to give a nice bottom wick and then go up like that. And then that would be on the 15-minute, just one nice bottom wick candle like this, nice bottom wick, and then it drives up on that 15. And that's why I usually always tell people, wait for the 30-minute. Jesus Christ, this is some beautiful art, bro. Let's see how many pips this fucker's up. Oh, it's about to pull back and hit our break even. Woke up sipping walk. He's sipping on fake drop. This shit around the clock. Told her I can't stop. Hopefully y'all see what I mean though. Alright, so this thing is falling back. We'll have to see if it keeps moving down. There's a chance, right, that it might keep moving down. Because this thing never made a top wick, keep in mind. So there's a chance that it just did this crazy pullback to make that top wick and then keep moving down, right? But I ain't gonna lie, I'm not in this trade no more, so I'm gonna delete it. I mean, like I already told you guys when I was out, I took my pips on this one, like right here. Nas also looking like it's making a decent move up. Looks like Nasdaq does want to move up today, just based on how this candle is going to form on the 4-hour, and then you have this new one that prints in 20 minutes. So this new one could give us a nice juicer, and then it would finally give us like, so we did close bullish yesterday on Nas, and well US 30 we didn't, but US 30 we made a nice bottom wick and then drove up and broke the high here, right? So there's a good chance that it's going to keep moving up because we broke the daily high, previous daily high. Now if you go back to Nas, like, so if you go to my daily breakdown or my weekly breakdown, the YouTube video that's on the channel here, it looks better when I show you on US 30. I wanted to see this top, like I wanted to see us make that top wick first, right? So I want to see US 30 pull back to like 33,750 for the sells, and then that would make sense too, because then tomorrow we would have the FOMC meeting at for Wednesday, right around 2 p.m., right? And then we can start to move down, right? And then that's the best prices. So like you gotta understand like who you're competing with, right? And road boys on the back of the pillow. Oh, fucking GJ did just almost flip this fucking 4-hour, right? So let's look at this. There could be beautiful GJ buys in the New York session, like towards NYSE now, in my opinion. I think that, especially like if this 15 closes above here, I would anticipate this thing to flip. Let's see what happens here with gold as well. So we are gonna get a nice bullish candle it's gonna print here, right? Well, it looks like, at least it looks like it. We'll have to see what happens. But I'm gonna use the restroom real quick, and your boy will be right back. I'm back. Did anybody miss me? Oh, so we did close bearish on this 15, dog. So there's a good chance still that this thing might keep moving down, but I would not look to take anything, right? I would not look to take anything yet. Wait for this 4 hour to close, dog. I don't like how this 4 hour is looking to close for the rest of the day. It's an engulfing bullish candle, so we'll have to see. But this 1 hour is going to close a nice strong bearish, presuming. Some crazy volume we're seeing here. Let's see, so it looks like GJ did just close above. Let's drop down and look. So the problem with GJ is if this was not like about to be this 4 hour closer, then I would like this. Right, I think you just gotta wait for the next. We gotta wait for this 4-hour close if we want to do anything, right? Let me put it up there. We took those. Oh wait, I already did. See, Nas still looking good, right? This 4-hour is gonna end up closing a nice bullish candle for Nas. So anticipate the buys moving back up towards 13,350 on Nas, and for US 30 it'll be the buys back up into, I want to say 33,750, like this area around here, right? Once we get that nice bullish close. So like you'll probably see a pullback, like, you know, if you ever seen them, like this next 4 hours is gonna give you a nice bottom wick. Well, we'll see honestly. Like it depends where it closes. But any candle closures above 33,200 for US 30 it should be beautiful. We'll keep it with the zone here, right? Because then it's like even if you get a 15. We've had no previous 15-minute candles close above here, right? So even if this 15 could come and close above, it should be a beautiful move up. You got some clean traffic on the left-hand side, at least up towards like 33,500. But still, that's about a 300-point range, which is huge. There's about a 500-point range in total. So we'll see. Nas, same situation. You could take the buys once we come back above this area and close above. These are beautiful fake out buys here, though. Did US 30 do something similar? No. I ain't gonna lie. So like when I first started looking at the indices, I really like Nasdaq. I always, like, at least when I first started watching it, the price action was a lot cleaner. But lately, US 30 has been the one with the clean price action. Especially, like, bro, you see my zones for US 30? You got this monthly level right here. Right? We closed below. This is the first time we've had a monthly candle close below here in a whole year. Like, this candle tried to close below. You can see the wick rejection broke the low. Trying to close below. Obviously, we were in a little bit of a bullish run here. But boom, even on all these wicks once they announced rate hikes, right? Once they started speculating all that, you seen the wicks and that start dropping below here. But this is the first time, and we have rate hikes possibly. Like obviously, yeah, it's pretty inevitable. They're looking to hike rates tomorrow, so that would be another factor for US 30 to melt. So I think today what we might see is like that pullback for the news tomorrow. And I must sound like a broken record. I just keep saying the same damn thing over and over, bro. Oh, my damn. I'm getting itchy. Yo, but drop some likes on the stream if you guys haven't. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, bro, do yourself a favor. Do yourself a favor. Also, I want to say, just in case anyone else is new here, let me bring it up real quick. Every single thing that we talked about here today has also been broken down for free. If you go to the link to in the video description, you'll see that we have a Discord. All of this was broken down. I even called a signal last night for gold sells. And yeah, I mean, this was the sells that I had on gold. This was gold setting up, discuss. Need this 1 hour to close below or nothing. No close, no nothing. It ended up being a 30-minute candle closure. But still, that's about the same in terms of confluence, right? And then, so, if you go to the daily breakdowns channel, every single day I do these breakdowns, right? And you can see this is the gold monthly candle right now. Or this is what we anticipate. But yeah, all this is for free, just in case we do this every single fucking day. Every single day, bro. So, if you're looking for some guidance, market looking choppy to you, look no further than MMC Discord, right? What else can I? Oh yeah, and then if you ever want any updates to the stream or any updates to like the trades and that we take here to Instagram.com, or just look up my at Real Sam Capital, and you'll see like all the stuff. Boom, like I show my losing days, winning days, fucking everything, bro. Even before, like the before and afters. This is the before breakdown and the after.
Closures below here for gold. That's what I'll look to see. If we do start to pull back, then we'll have to just wait and watch the 4 hours.
Yeah. That's all I got. That's all I ask. You don't have to follow me or none of that. But I do appreciate it if you drop at least a like on the stream. At least a like for the boy. And we'll continue to see what's going on here today. Right, so let's talk about some other pairs you guys might trade. So let's look at Euro USD. So right here we've been in a little bit of a tight range on this 4 hour, but don't get faked out. There is a chance that we come and break back above here for Euro USD to move back up towards this level. But keep that bearish bias in mind, right? Keep that bearish bias in mind, because once they do hike the rates, then you're gonna see your USD melt. Your USD is gonna go down. Same thing with GBP USD. In my opinion, that's what all these pairs today are doing right now. All right, we're in a little bit of a range, waiting for these rate hikes. They've been priced in for a little while, right? Almost like a week now. We've been talking about it every single day on the stream. But GBP USD has been melting. Let's see. GBP USD is gonna move down tomorrow. I'm just anticipating this is a pullback. Everything's pulling back right now. That wants to melt. Literally, GBP USD, Euro USD we just showed, US 30 as well. Looking like it's wanting to do this pullback for the rate hikes tomorrow. Nasdaq as well looking to pull back for these rate hikes tomorrow. Gold possibly, we might see it now too. Just because every single other pair is doing it, right? We're gonna get a nice strong closure here on this 30-minute too, by the looks of it. And it looks like this 1 hour candle might flip and give us a doji, kind of like how we just explained it. Does anybody remember me drawing up the candles like 2 minutes ago? Or not 2 minutes ago, probably like 20 minutes ago. Like this thing printing a doji, but then this one dropping down to make that, but then overall printing bullish. Nobody. Oh well. Nice. So it looks like GJ does want to print bullish here. Let's see though. Like, we'll have to see. But in my opinion, as long as we close above here, you're gonna want to wait for this to make a nice bottom, like though, on this next candle, for GJ to continue moving up for the day. Let's see, what's UJ doing? UJ also looking like it's pulling back, right? But we have these inevitable rate hikes coming. You smoking dope if you think that we're going down yet. The only chance that these pairs start to come down is if they come out tomorrow, say no rate hikes, and then you're gonna see everything do an absolute inverse of what happened, right? Yo, gang, didn't get the notice, thought you were off today? Fuck no, no days off. I ain't gonna lie, I almost didn't come to the stream today, bro, because I didn't think there was gonna be any setups. And then this candle printed, and then we ate. But that was like an hour ago. But no, the reason why I didn't not that I didn't want to go live, but bro, it was like the move that I wanted to see was this move that happened there in London, bro. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? So let's see, like, we did close a nice strong. You caught it on the 15, right? Yeah, so we created a nice strong engulfing bearish candle on the 15. Clean traffic moving down, and then so our original thought was 9 times out of 10 this is what happens every single day. You'll get your initial, where would it have been? Like your nice initial Asian session move down, which was like this candle. Right, this is where the daily candle started. We made the top wick. And then during Asian session, we started to drive down. And then during London, we had that nice continuation to move down. And then this candle was like, so like you'll get the nice move down. And then around like 4 or 5 a.m., you'll see the pullback. And then boom, right here, we were just waiting for that resistance. It printed one, took the sells. Simple. I'm looking to see buys on US 30 and NAS as well. We got a nice bullish close on these 4 hours, just as we anticipated. You say you need help? Someone make you a F1 account, US, Canada? Can't be me, bro. You can't be me. I don't even know what that is. Ooh, so we closed bearish on this 4 hour. But with this being such a huge wick on the bottom, in my opinion, this is a big rejection wick. But we'll have to see. We'll have to see how everything ends up printing. GJ is very ugly right now, boys. Like I mean, if y'all trade GJ, sheesh, I ain't gonna lie. Some of the moves have been decent. Like I would have liked this buy here if, like, we made this bottom wick on this candle, or this candle next to it, right? This one went up. And then this one went up, broke this high, then came down, made this bottom wick, and then came back up. Shipping as somebody farted. I ain't gonna lie, with a purse, they'd be having me retarded. And then if you go, what's his dick caught these cells? Nasty. He was up in it. What do you call it? The London session, and then he wasn't getting. That's why he's not on the stream. He is trading a London. He's trading GJ, while I was trading gold. On gold, waiting for a close above. So yeah, I would like to see close above here if you're looking to counter trend gold. I see why you say. I think this area is good too as well, honestly. You have clean traffic here. Yeah. I think that if we do end up coming up towards this area, though, it's going to be like one of those, like, the way you might have to execute it is just like the buys. Like, it's just going to be a breakout. It's going to just drive through here, no problem. Actually, I don't know. This 1867, I think if you... Yeah, maybe you're right. I actually have to agree with you. The candle closure seems better. This is a 4-hour resistance. So let me take back what I said there. Just be interesting to see how far gold wants to pull back, bro. For FOMC, do we think we're gonna get a pullback the whole ways up to here? Who knows? Who knows? We'll have to see. We'll have to see. I will say this 1 hour is gonna close, or it closed bull or bearish. But if you drop down the lower time frame, right, we already talked about this. I don't trade no damn trend lines. Let me say it every time I draw this. We did just break out of that bearish market structure that we had, right? It's looking like that on every single time frame. If you go to like NASDAQ as well, Usually in the last 30 minutes of 4 hours, we see some impulsive move towards the key level. Something I've never noticed, if that's true or not. I can't confirm or deny. Every time I'm in the mode, yeah, I let juice about to hit the store, look crank. I'm finna get in that mode. If you look at the US dollar index too, you can see that we're getting a disgusting pullback. To either this level here, or that 102 level, which would be like this daily resistance, weekly resistance, or is it the monthly? I believe it's the monthly. Yeah. But I wouldn't be surprised if GJ doesn't move too far this week. Right, we talk about this in the, right, like I'm just gonna say it every single time. Talk about it in that monthly breakdown video we put on YouTube. We talk about it on the stream every day. But we also have Bank of England rate hikes this week too, so that's on Thursday. I wouldn't be surprised if price stays within this range here until that happens, right? Or like even this range here. I might look to take these GJ buys here though, boys. I ain't gonna lie. They're looking hella good. Once we can, like, if this 15 goes up and prints above here, then I'll look to take it. Like, if it goes back above and prints a nice bullish candle, then I like it. I like it a lot. But I mean, we still got a couple minutes. We got like 4 minutes. Oh. See what happens. Gold slowly moving up by the looks of it. She inching away. But once we break the high of this 1 hour candle, which we just did, right? This should keep moving up at this point. 4 hour close bullish. It didn't make too much of a bottom wick, I won't lie. I don't really like it that much. But the 1 hour looks good. 1 hour looks good. 30-minute looks good. 15-minute doesn't look terrible. The reason why I say like I wish we had more of a bottom wick is like, look at these wicks here. Like, I wish that we would have seen something like that on like this candle one. Or I guess we wouldn't have. It would have been like, how would it have been on this one? So we'll have to see. We'll have to see. We'll have to see. Nas, GJ. So I don't know. I don't think we might. I don't think we might see this move here on GJ. Unless it happens on this next 30-minute. Oh, never mind. Maybe we will. Maybe we will. I'm a whole different creature. So, for US 30 in that, you're probably going to see a huge pullback to give this thing a nice fat ass bottom wick on this 4 hour, right? And then it's going to go up. Same thing with Nas, same thing with NASDAQ, nice pullback. Probably going to wipe out a lot of these lows, maybe even tap back into here. Who knows, we'll see. But if you just wait for price to either just straight up break out of here or wait for the closure above, sells or buys look good for US 30 and NAS. Gold so far nothing. I will say though, if we do close above here, there's a high probability that those buys will play out. It's still a little too choppy in here for me to want to do anything, and I'm gonna stay away from the buys just because I have a bearish bias. Alright. This 15 just a good close though. And let's look at GJ, right? Alright, so I think GJ does want to move down. Yeah, GJ looking like she might bleed here. But GJ is kind of shitty, bro. I think that's going to be it for me today, boys. You know, I had 3 trades today. All dubs. All on gold, too. 10 pips on this initial wick during London Open. Waited another half an hour. Got the sells here once we broke the lows to this. And then I got sells on this candle up here, too. So, like, honestly, I'm done for today. So I'm gonna start to let the music run a little. Let's see if we can get a banger song, right? Oh, this next one's a banger. Pug is full, pug is fat. Being broke was so bad, but I'm on a jet with a whole lot of bags now. I would stay around, honestly, a little longer for US 30 and NAS, but I'm staying away from the buys. You're gonna have to stay. Why are you saying wait? Let's play one song remix. Bro, you should ask me earlier. I'm gonna do it later. We'll do it tomorrow. If you come tomorrow, I'll do it tomorrow, right? I'm really tired, honestly, too. I just want to get off the stream, bro. I want to get off the stream, maybe take a little nap. I don't even know what the fuck I'm gonna do today, bro. Honestly, gym clothes. Oh, I got a good song I want to play. All right, I'm out of here, gang. Yo, if you were new and you're here still, leave a like, subscribe, and listen to the music and vibe out, baby. Beautiful dubs today.
I'm so fucking rich, my nigga, I can buy whatever. I'm so fucking high, my nigga, I can see whatever. Little bitch, you know how I come, you know how I bleed. Bitch in the sea, you know I just matched me 3. You play, you late, yeah, it's gonna be a fee. And the track hog Jeep is not cheap, it's a SRT. Huh? And the track hog Jeep is not cheap, it's a SRT. Bitch call some keys, that's how it's supposed to be. Bitch don't get too close to me. Bitch don't get too close to me. I'm a prescription, pills with the link. Nobody hurts me. I'm a Roger, I just did 3. I'm a Roger, I just did 3. Let my nigga clutch the G43. Master up, bitch don't get hit with the heat. It's ARP right under the seat. Bitch nigga rich out PPPs. He ain't really getting out cheese. I got a sex and I fleep. These little niggas can't fuck with me. She got out to eat, tryna touch on me. Yeah, I'm in the Range Rover, hoping I don't get pulled over. Cause I know that I'm nowhere close to sober. My niggas having all emotion. She got a pen, I bust it up. She came over and busted up. All of my blocks stay loaded. All of my niggas is loaded. All of my pockets is loaded. All of my niggas is loaded. Yo. I'm so fucking rich, my nigga, I can buy whatever. I'm so fucking high, my nigga, I can see whatever. Little bitch, you know how I come, you know how I bleed. Bitch in the sea, you know I just matched me 3. You play, you late, yeah, it's gonna be a fee. And the track hog Jeep is not cheap, it's a SRT. Huh? And the track hog Jeep is not cheap, it's a SRT. Bitch call some keys, that's how it's supposed to be.